Hello, my friends. Dealing with a small kitchen can be frustrating, particularly for cooking and entertaining enthusiasts. This video will unveil 9 clever storage ideas tailored for small kitchens, aiming to maximize functionality. Let's get started. Number 1. Use all that under-sink storage. Efficient kitchen organization kicks off with the spots you use the most. First up for me is the area under the sink. I've got these metal organizing drawers from way back, so I'll check if they fit after measuring the space. Once I plan it out and measure, I'll have to take out the top drawer and split the unit to make it fit under the sink. I put the bottom drawer on the right side of the cabinet for sponges, magic erasers, and towels. On top of that, I keep a few big refill containers and cleaning brushes to make the most of the storage. I keep the everyday cleaning stuff in the middle open drawer for quick grabs. Stuff like garbage bags, the pink stuff, scrub, mommy, and dishwasher detergent. On the left side of the cabinet, I go for this plastic cleaning caddy. It's perfect for holding liquid cleaner and damp cloths, and I can easily carry it around with all my cleaning gear to clean other rooms in the house. Optimize the storage space beneath the sink by using stacked bins or plastic drawers to hold sponges, dishwasher pods, rags, and other items. Transparent storage containers help ensure that you don't overlook items you already possess. Number 2. Add drawers, not cabinets. Just like every item in your house, you should give each thing in the kitchen a specific spot. This way, everything has its own place, making it easier to find and put away stuff, and keeping your kitchen tidy and easy to use. In a compact kitchen, I favor using wide drawers over lower cabinets. They offer ample storage space in a convenient manner. When it comes to large kitchen tools such as pots and pans, it's best to resist the urge to stack them. Opt for a minimalist and tidy approach, reserving the drawers for regularly used items only. Number 3. Use drawer dividers. Instead of just tossing your ladles and slotted spoons into an open drawer, Think about using adjustable dividers to create compartments and keep them from moving around. There are various materials available for these dividers, and their expandable and adjustable design makes them suitable for fitting into drawers and cabinets. Number 4, organize your refrigerator. The fridge can get jam-packed really quick, just like a closet. If we don't organize it right, we won't even know what's in there or how long the food's been sitting. Here are some tips to help you get your fridge organized. First of all, store items in clear packaging. Opt for clear packaging when storing items. This will save you time and make it easy to identify contents at a glance. Maximize space by swapping out large boxes or bags with storage containers that are better suited for your fridge. Secondly, keep commonly used items within easy reach. Store commonly used items in the refrigerator door for convenient access. Items like milk, butter, and salad dressings are popular choices for this accessible area, but customize your fridge layout based on your specific eating and cooking patterns. Lastly, utilize storage bags. Using reusable silicone bags for fridge food storage is an excellent choice. They offer waste-free storage for a variety of items, from snacks to leftovers. What's great about them is that they're made of food-grade silicone, have a leak-free pinch lock seal, and come in various shapes and colors. They're easy to store, even in small or narrow spaces, and are perfect for storing oddly shaped food items. Additionally, their anti-leak feature makes them ideal for storing marinated meat with juices, which is especially useful in a fridge with limited space. Number 5. Store tea bags in out-in-open storage. You can easily create extra storage space by using the inside or outside of cabinet doors and even the refrigerator door. For instance, I found this cool 5-inch magnetic mesh cup that I use to store my tea bags. It's also great for keeping utensils, stationery, or spices, which helps save space inside the cabinet. Number 6. Add risers for storing canned goods. My pantry used to be a mess, inefficient use of space, cluttered shelves, and struggling to find anything. It just couldn't hold as much as I needed. But then I found these cool expandable risers, storage racks that really saved the day. They come in different sizes, so make sure to measure your pantry or cabinet shelves before getting them. I'm clearing out my pantry now. Time to kick off the organization. I place the foam board on the wire shelf to make the risers more stable. Adding these risers is a simple way to create more storage space, allowing for better organization and visibility to avoid accumulating duplicate items. Number 7. Organize your cups and water bottles. Being a firm believer in the benefits of staying hydrated, I accumulated dozens of drinking vessels. My cupboard is fed up with the disarray and frequent falling bottles. I sought a solution. I discovered these stackable acrylic water bottle organizers, which magically solve my kitchen clutter problem. In the market, there are numerous water bottle organizers available. Taking into account my storage situation, I opted for a 2-layer stackable water bottle organizer that comes with 6 containers. The bottles are stored horizontally in separate compartments, making it easy to grab them. I can utilize this organizer in my pantry, kitchen countertop, cabinets, cupboards, and refrigerator. These stackable organizers have simplified access to our favorite bottles, making spontaneous activities like bike rides or walks more convenient. Number 8. Optimize space with an over-the-door pantry rack. You know, it's always surprising how much spices and seasoning we go through, even when cooking for a small family, let alone a big one. It feels like there's never enough space to store all our cooking supplies and spices. Here's a neat trick to boost the storage space in a small pantry. Use a heavy-duty metal over-the-door pantry rack. Depending on your pantry door size, you can go for a 6-tier or 8-tier rack. This metal hanger attaches to the top of the door and has multiple sturdy shelves, perfect for storing essential items like canned foods. These pantry door racks make clever use of the often ignored vertical space on the back of the pantry door. so you can conveniently store spices, small jars, and packets. Plus, it's easy to reach and see everything, making it a breeze to find the items you use most. It's a game changer for keeping things organized and preventing a cluttered pantry. Honestly, without the pantry door rack, I'd be lost on where to stash my spices and seasons. Number 9. Organize corner cabinets. I never thought about getting a Lazy Susan turntable until one day when I was digging around in my pantry trying to find my soy sauce. It was a real struggle to reach the sauce tucked away in the back corner of the cabinet. That's when I realized that the old school 70s kitchen favorite, the Lazy Susan, has made a comeback as a top kitchen storage solution. So I decided to get my first 10-inch Lazy Susan for my pantry. And it turned out to be just what I needed to organize my cabinet and pantry. This rotating disc sits on a flat surface and spins 360 degrees, making everything easy to reach and see. You can use the Lazy Susan on the kitchen counter to serve drinks, adding a stylish touch. It's also great for storing lighter cans, spices, or seasoning containers in your pantry or cabinet. Placing the Lazy Susan in a corner is a smart way to access those hard-to-reach items while maximizing storage space due to its round shape. There's still space on the shelves in my pantry to store more items. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more organizing tips. The upcoming video will share even more home organization tips. Keep watching and feel free to leave your comments below. See you soon.